Save this reel as you can impress in the interview by using the function coalesce. Welcome back to SQL Interview Series. This is Leetcode 1407, Top Travelers. In this question, we are given two tables. One is users, which contain ID, which is unique, and name, which contains the name of the users. The second table is rights, which also contains ID, which is unique value, hence the primary key, and user ID and the distance traveled by the user ID. So we can connect ID from users to user ID in rights. So the result should contain the name and the total distance traveled by that person. The total distance traveled by that person should be in descending order in the result. And if the total distance traveled is same, then the name should be in ascending order. So before going to the query, let's discuss about coalesce. So coalesce is a SQL function which returns the first non-null value. So if we write coalesce here and write many expressions here, it will give the first non-null value. If all the values are null, then it will display null, it will return null. And we have to remember, in programming, null is not equal to 0. This is our query. Let's understand it step by step. First, what we are doing is we are joining users table with rights table using left join. Why left join? Because we want to include all the users irrespective of the fact they have traveled any distance or not. Next, what we're doing is we are grouping by user ID and username. Now, the crux of our issue. Select username and sum of the distance traveled by that particular person. If that sum of distance traveled is equal to null, which means that person has not traveled anything, then we want to return 0. So what we do is we use coalesce function and 0 here. So if this sum is null, then that coalesce function will take 0 as the non-null value. And lastly, we are ordering by travel distance descending. If this is same, then username ascending. If you want this code, then please comment code in the comment section. And for more tips and tricks, please follow my channel, Coding Fundamentals.